Hello, I am Dr. Sanu Ajala. Hello, I am Dr. Sanu Ajala. Today we discuss about the concept of aesthetics and importance of aesthetics. The words of aesthetics believed to the drive from the Latin words aesthetus, the Italian words aesthetica. Its scope of aesthetics was primarily limited to the collection of the following the data by the government for farming, military, and fiscal policies. First, age and sex by population of the country, and next, property and wealth of the country. But even the year, the importance of aesthetics has been realized, and now it embraces almost every sphere of natural and human activity. Aesthetics may be defined in plural or singular sense. Aesthetics in plural sense is defined as quantitative facts, which are semistically collected, and however, in singular sense, aesthetics is defined as the collections, presentations, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data. Characteristic of aesthetics. The main characteristic of aesthetics are it is aggregate of facts. It is numerically expressed. Third, it may be defined by multidisciplinary. It is collected the predetermined purposes. It is collected in systematic manners. It should be collected with reasonable standard of accuracy. It should be placed in relation to each others. Function of aesthetics. The major function of aesthetics are it simplified complexity of facts, it make comparison of facts easily, it represents the data in particular forms, it facilitate planning and formulation of the policies. It also enlarge individuals' knowledge and experience. It express fact in manners. Importance of aesthetics. Importance of aesthetics may be seen in four major areas. Importance of aesthetics in the governments. Importance of aesthetics in the economics. Aesthetics in economics in plannings. Aesthetics in economics in aesthetics. Importance of aesthetics in health. Limitation. The aesthetics limitations of aesthetics are the aggregate fact does not study the individual attributes. Second is study quantitative or not qualitative facts. It collects only on average. Only expert can make best possible use of aesthetics. It may be misused because the aesthetics law are not exact rather than possibilities in nature. The theory of aesthetics interference is built upon the random sampling in the rules of such interference are not strictly the study of aesthetics possibly on uniform or homogeneous group of data. Qualitative or quantitative data. Qualitative data deals with the descriptions. Quantitative data deals with the numbers. Qualitative data, it can be observed but not measures. Quantitative data, it can be measures. Example of qualitative data, color, texture, smell, taste, eh, beauty, etc. Stress is on quality, stress in on quantity. Example of quantitative length, height, area, weight, cost, age, etc. Scope of aesthetics. According to the aesthetics affects the every and touches life of many points. According to subject matter of aesthetics, can be classified statistical methods. They are procedure used in the collection of organizations, summations, analysis, interpretation of the data. The following are the important methods of statistics. First, collection of data, classification of data, tabulation of data, presentation of data, analysis of data, interpretation of data. Applied statistics, it refers to the application of a statistical method used in interpreting the data with view to taken decisions. Thus, can be classified into following two categories. Descriptive applied statistics. In descriptive fields, we deal with the past and present data and try to make the set of figures assemble scientific applied statistics. The essential features of scientific applied statistics is draw the conclusions and conclude the something more than what can be clearly seen. Thank you.